Hey guys, it's me Lexie, and my sister's gone so she can't help me. And today I'm going to be doing Guess the Squishy challenge, and outside it is raining and I have a bowl. Of course I do. Okay, so I am going to close my eyes, like really, like shut them and put one in there, right? Oh, right, okay, that didn't work. Right, okay, so I'm going to feel this one. Okay, here's the squishy, which I am not looking. So here it is. Okay, I think it is the peanut. If it's on camera, that's really good. It's the peanut! Oh, it smells so good. Ugh. I just love the smell of all of them. Okay, next one. I think, wait, but feels, does it have feet? Yeah, okay, it's the feeties of the unicorn. It's supposed to look that, but it fell off. So, I hope this is the feeties, which I got right. And I wanted to show you what I got from the arcade. Here's a close-up of it. Doing it thin. Okay, and I'm gonna pick this one. Okay, right, and I think this one's a strawberry. That's right. Strawberry. Okay, right, I think this one is like the head of the unicorn head. Yeah, it is the unicorn head. Okay, I didn't give you a close-up at the feeties and a close-up at the peanut. Go down. Oh, the strawberry. Okay, now the feeties. Another head. Another peanut. Okay, next one. Okay, I think this one's the carrot. Okay, this one's the carrot. Yes, I knew it was because I could smell. Here's a close-up of the carrot. Just in case you never have squishies. Okay, my next one. And I think it is an ice cream. Because I can like feel all the plastic bits. So here's a close-up of the sprinkles of the ice cream. And it looks amazing. Sorry guys. Anyway, I just want to show you the rest. These always I find tricky. Here's my pug. Baby. Here's my banana. Ooh. And here's my little thing. Okay. I'm just going to go close up of all of my squishies. Here's my first one. My second. Peanuts. My feeties. Okay, pug. That little thing I don't know. And my banana. Close up banana. Okay. Tom and Jerry and ice cream. Yeah? Strawberry and carrot. Okay, I'm coming. Hope you like that.